If your Epson EcoTank isn't printing black, the colors look faded, or the pages come out blank, this video will guide you through 2 simple steps to fix it. Hi everyone, welcome to the Print Fix ID channel. Before starting the repair, let's do a manual test print first to see which color has a problem. Turn off the printer first. Once it's completely off, hold down the stop button, then press the power button. Keep holding both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Don't panic if the lights start flashing, that means the printer is working in the background. Just wait a moment and it will automatically print the nozzle check sheet. Alright, here it is. This is called the nozzle check sheet. As you can see, there should be solid black lines here without any gap. For the color inks, everything looks fine. All the lines are complete with no breaks. It looks like the black ink is clogged. Alright, let's move on to the first method. The most basic step when you have ink issues on an Epson printer. It's called printhead cleaning. You can do this manually without using a computer. Simply press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release it. The cleaning process will start, indicated by the power light flashing and some noise coming from the printer. This process usually takes about 3 minutes to complete. Once the power light stops flashing, it means the cleaning is done. Now, load a few more sheets of paper into the tray because we're going to perform another nozzle check. Turn off the printer again. Then hold the stop button, press the power button, and keep holding both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release them at the same time. If the first cleaning doesn't improve the print quality, repeat the cleaning up to 3 times, waiting about 1 minute between each cycle. Alright, let's assume this is the 3rd cleaning cycle and the ink problem is still there. You can now proceed to the second method. Method 2. I call this the flushing method using a syringe. Prepare a 10 milliliter syringe, or a larger one if you have it, that's even better. Then cut off both sides like this. First, turn off the printer, then open it up like this. Place a support under the scanner unit to hold it in position. You'll need to move the print head to the center. To do that, turn the front gear counterclockwise a few times. This will release the print head lock. Now push the print head gently to the right, then you'll be able to slide it to the center. Open the carriage cover. Then remove the ink damper that's having the problem. Alright, it turns out the black ink damper is empty. There's no ink inside. This is why the black ink isn't printing, even after several cleanings. Insert the syringe into the bottom of the damper, then slowly pull it back. This will remove any trapped air and draw ink into it. Keep pulling and holding until you see the ink start flowing into the damper. So, what if the ink damper isn't empty? You should still perform the suction, because sometimes there's air trapped inside the damper without you realizing it. Okay, once the damper is properly filled with ink, slowly remove the syringe and make sure the ink inside the damper doesn't flow back up into the tube. Place it back into its original position, and don't forget to press it down firmly to lock it in place. Reattach the carriage cover securely. Then push the printhead all the way to the right side. Take the waste ink tube from the maintenance box. We're going to perform suction on this part as well using the syringe. Make sure the printhead is fully on the right side. Then start pulling the syringe slowly. Hold the suction until you see ink flowing into the syringe. This method helps clear stubborn ink clogs, since the waste ink tube is connected to the printhead's capping station. If you don't see any ink flowing in, or if the syringe is too hard to pull, you can skip this step and simply run the cleaning process again a few times. That usually helps improve the print quality. Alright, that's enough. Remove the syringe, then reconnect the waste ink tube properly. Now turn the front gear counterclockwise a few more times. Then move the printhead back to the center. Clean the capping station, as the ink you see there is the overflow from the waste ink suction earlier. Make sure to wipe it thoroughly. Alright, now let's check the result. And here it is. The print result looks perfect now. The black ink is back and printing properly. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.